Oh, I'm sorry, Chris. Can you turn me on? The knob. The knob. Just the knob. Just the knob. Thank you. Don't cry.
Hey, check that out.
Don't turn my wife on. Let me move over to the other side so she can get.
All right.
Joe's getting nervous. We have a tortilla down. We also have a puppet here. We got a lot going on. Our daughter made this. Isn't it adorable?
Which one?
Charlie.
Where is Charlie?
She's running around
I haven't
somewhere.
even seen her since I got here. Wow.
I know. She usually is hugging and loving, and she's too busy playing right now.
Oh no, she hugged and loved on Lena.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we are.
Same. So we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter there, and then I have half an onion chopped here. Sorry, I'm gonna try and not die on the wires here. Thank you, JoJo. Don't kill me.
I'm like a best boy.
You are. This is great.
Frankie, the bestest boy.
We're gonna throw that. Oh, hear that sizzle?
Heard the sizzle.
I think our live studio audience is getting hungry. Either that or they don't care about us anymore.
How we doing?
Very hungry.
So you only cook one side of the tortillas?
Yeah.
Why do you only cook one side?
Because I think if you do both sides, it gets too soft. And then
So which side do you roll it in?
I do the side I don't put in oil. So pretty much just the oily part.
So the oily part goes on the inside or it goes on the outside?
Outside. Yeah. So it's oil. So if this is a tortilla, the oily side's right here. Thanks, sir. And then the dry side without the oil goes on top.
Huh.
Yeah. Because I think once you do that, then it gets oversaturated and it's kind of
That's back here. That's water. Let's make some water.
What do you need to me for?
Who threw water in the cooler? Hey Chris, do you want another crown drink?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said yes, queen.
Yes, queen.
Okay, so I have my cumin, I have my garlic, I have a little cayenne pepper to make it spicy, my rice, and now I'm gonna deglaze my pan. I don't know where my chicken broth went. It went somewhere. Thank you. Always more.
Yeah. So one thing I did not mention.
What did you not mention?
So we'll be ready to eat.
And I'm just throwing in the
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Zest of 2 limes. I got cilantro.
I don't have nothing.
And then I'm going to cut my 2 limes that I zested and put the juice in there without seeds. Except I lost my knife. So there's that. Oh, got my knife. Quit holding my knife hostage.
What are you gonna do with all this?
I don't know. Surprise.
Don't force it. It's natural.
I'm sure you all can hear the 30,000 children that are upstairs running around. Literally 30,000.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris, are you gonna try my rice?
Yeah.
You wanna get a spoon?
Let's spoon on. We need to get some smaller.
Down more. My lime's not very juicy.
Don't chop it in there.
Sorry, my hands are clean.
Do you want me to squeeze one?
Yeah, my grip strength isn't very good. Sorry, honey.
Let me wash my.
Show it. That way.
There you go.
Thank you.
Camera's right there.
You squeeze it already?
I mean, I'm gonna do a sprinkle. Yeah, scram. Do a sprinkle of salt real fast. Make sure it. I don't know where it's Damn, this oven's hot.
So one thing I want to say is ovens are different. So you have a gas or electric. It's going to cook different. So just kind of watch it as you go, and so you don't burn it or whatnot. Now, one thing I noticed, like at home, we have a gas. They have electric. Electric cooks way faster than gas. So just keep an eye on it. Depending on what you have, if you have electric, just you don't want to burn stuff. We actually got lucky on the first episode. We kind of burned the rice, what we thought we did, but it actually turned out really well. So, but yeah, it's something, you know, two different deals to cook. Is it ready?
Yep, go for it.
Let's
What do you want to do?
I'm gonna cheers it. Let's go.
Oh,
This
oh,
way.
double spoon, how romantic.
Get over there. Oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. All right. Cheers.
To the rice.
Mmm.
Y'all
That is
hungry?
really good.
Our live studio audience is so starving right now.
That's really good.
They're like, I'm hungry.
That's really good.
That's good. Delicious.
Yeah.
Describe it.
Huh? Describe.
There's
Slowly.
like a little sweetness to it, but I think it's like a natural sweetness
And then
with
you get the
sugars,
cilantro in there.
and then a lime to just hit you.
Just
Just
lime, yeah.
yeah.